Good evening everyone. After completion of statement of profit or loss, now we have problems regarding statement of affairs. So why we prepare the statement of affairs? If closing capital is not given in the question, or opening capital is not given in the question, and we need to find out the profit under the single entry system, at that time some information will be given to us regarding the assets and liabilities of the business. So here we will, with that information, we prepare statement of affairs which is similar to the balance sheet of double entry system. But here we are not telling it as a balance sheet. Why? Because we are not following the principles of double entry system. That's why it is calling as statement of affairs. We are taking it as statement of affairs, not as a balance sheet. So see here, a statement of affairs is a statement showing various assets and liabilities of a business for a particular date. It shows various assets and liabilities of a business for a particular date, and it is similar to the balance sheet, which consists assets and liabilities. So pro forma, now you can see the pro forma of statement of affairs. Same statement of affairs, is a particular date, statement of affairs, name of the organization as on particular date at the end of the financial year. The left side you can see the liabilities and right side you can see the assets. If you have command and your first intermediate first year double entry systems final accounts balance sheet, it is same as balance sheet, same as balance sheet. Assets and liabilities, you can see the left side we have liabilities and right side we have assets. Liabilities, for example, outstanding expenses, bills payable, trade creditors, bank overdraft, capital, and cash in hand, cash at bank, bills receivable, trade debtors, stock in trade, prepaid expenses, and other fixed assets. As you know, assets means the property of a business, and liabilities means payments, what we have taken from the market. As you are seeing on your screen, Subhash commenced his business on 1st April 2010 with a capital of 60,000. Opening capital is given in the question, that is 60,000. His position means his various assets and liabilities are given. His position on 31st March 2011 was given below. Furniture, that is asset, cash at bank, asset, bills payable, asset, creditors, as you know we need to pay to the outsiders, liability, machinery, we have machinery with us, assets, stock, we have a stock of our goods, asset, and debtors means the customer to whom we have sold the goods on trade basis, to whom we sold the goods on trade basis, that is also asset. Receivables, those are our, अपने को उनके पास से पैसे आने का है 23,000 debtors है. तो ये इन्फॉर्मेशन लेके क्या बनाना है हमारे को स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स. नेक्स्ट अदर इन्फॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो गिवन ड्यूरिंग द ईयर ही विथड्रू. हु विथड्रू? सुभाष विथड्रू. मीन्स सुभाष drawings are how much? 6,000 for his personal use. Prepare statement of affairs and find out the profit. So opening capital is given. Some of the information is given to find out the closing capital by preparing the statement of affairs, and drawings are given. Additional capital is not given. If you are seeing the video, compulsory comment me. If you are not understanding the topic, then also comment me. If you are understanding the topic, then also comment me regarding the topic. Creditors, bills payable, creditors, bills payable 9,000, right? Creditors 7,000. 9,000, 11,000. Next we have assets, furniture, $18,000, cash at bank, 12,000. Machinery, 20,000. Stock, 12,000. Debtors, 23,000. As it is a single entry system, that's why I have written assets and liabilities in a jumbled order. Need not to write in a sequence. Single entry not following any rules. So first we need to total the assets. Later we tally the liability decrease. 85,000 assets. You have to see a formula. Capital equals to liabilities, assets minus liabilities. So assets are 85,000 and liabilities are how much? 9 plus 11, 20,000. So the capital is the balancing figure, that is 65 total. How much capital we have? Capital is nothing but 65. As opening capital is already given in the question and we have find out the closing capital, that is on 31st March 2011. That's why capital is also closing capital and it is a balancing figure. It is a closing one. The same 85,000 both the side. As closing capital we got how much? 65,000. We need to write here. Drawings are how much given in the question? 6,000. 6,000 drawings. Total after adding the drawings we got 71,000. Next we need to deduct additional capital, but it is not given in the question. That's why adjusted capital is also 71,000. Opening capital was given in the question, that is 60,000. Opening capital कितना था? 60,000. Adjusted capital minus opening capital, we got how much? 11,000. It is profit. And the remaining problems are same as 14th problem. Only in 18th problem we need to prepare both opening statement of affairs and closing statement of affairs, which we see afterwards in our next class.
क्लोज करूं?